How to delete Twitch account permanently. So all you have to do is to click on Twitch application here. Now it will lead you here to your following. And what you're going to do next is on the upper left, you will see your profile icon. Click on that and go to settings. Now after clicking on settings, tap on account here. Now here you will see disable account and permanently delete account. So if you wish to delete your Twitch account permanently, then all you have to do is to click on permanently delete account, and then here you can even give the reason why you want to delete your account. But if you wish not to share the reason, it's also fine, and then just confirm delete account. So once you've chosen to delete your account, it will be deactivated and your channel page will no longer be accessible. So within 90 days of your request, so Twitch will then permanently erase all your content and close your account. So basically that is it, and that is how you delete Twitch account permanently. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.